A warm welcome to the respected dignitaries and my dear participants. Welcome to the session. Now let's start this with a prayer song. Now I take the pleasure of inviting a man of distinction and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, Dr. K. Sudhir sir, HOD of Triple Department. Welcome, sir.
Uh, Thank you, Deepthi. Good afternoon to everyone. Hope everyone is doing good and staying safe at their homes.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
Now I request Mr. Chiran. Sir, shall I continue?
yeah, Deepthi.
Yes, sir. Now I request Mr. Chiranjeevi to address the gathering.
Yeah, thank you, Dipti. Yeah, it's a great good afternoon for me, not only for me, for all of us. This 15th August is a auspicious day for all 1.3 billion people of India. By grabbing all the positiveness of the day, we come with another grand news that we established a virtual placement, skill development, and career guidance institute, RACE, Rise to Achieve and Chase to Explore. Our vision is to provide our roots of knowledge to all the students across the globe. No one should backstep their success journey due to financial aids. And our mission is to provide continuous support to the students to achieve their goal. We are not here to limit ourselves to only guide engineering students. We are here to assist both technical and non-technical students, higher secondary students, etc. We'll always with you as an assistant from the start of your journey as a student to the end of your journey as an achiever. Hence, the time came up. Let's launch this institute with all our positive energies. Dipti, session over to Dipti.
Okay. I cordially invite respected HOD Sir, Department of Ripley, who always been an eminent mentor, supporter, as well as a wall behind us in all our success stories in our career, Dr. K. Sudhi Sir, to launch the
Yeah,
institute.
thank you, Deepthi. So, as the good time is started for everyone, Chiranjeevi, Hem Sundar, and the team. So it's my honor to inaugurate this type of entrepreneur-oriented program. So thanks, Chiranjeevi, for inviting me. So just give me a second. I'll be sharing my screen. Uh, Deepthi, can you confirm me? Is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah, thank you. So I'll go with the count: 3, 2, 1. All the best to the team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you,
All the
sir.
best, Anna. So,
Uh,
can I share few views, my views about this?
yes, sir, sure.
Chiranjeev?
Please
Sure, sir.
continue.
Yeah. So actually, those who have joined here, I just want to say two things. One is, so the people who started this, they are not from IT background, okay, and they are also not from a very intelligent family background or what I can say, they are not like from high-end family. Okay, so they all are middle class families. Okay, and they are non-IT department. So in spite of all these difficulties, all these hurdles, so these people have learned different things, and they finally came up with their new entrepreneur idea. Not only they are thinking like for their own benefit. So they thought of there is something lagging for the engineering students. They are getting jobs, they are getting percentage, but when they are performing in their companies, they are not up to the mark. So these people, that is race people, like Chiranjeevi, Hemasundar, and other Vamsi and other team. So they just gone through the background and they identified. So these are several points where our engineering students are lagging. So at that point, at those hurdle points, so these people are going to be a backbone for them through their new entrepreneur this race. So please make use of it. Okay, I wish all the very best for the team race, for your future endeavors also, and this has to go not only this particular district, and it has to reach state level, national level. Even I'm expecting at international level also. I have a confidence that you can go final stage of international level also. So all the best to all the race team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now,
Thank
I
you.
would like to hand
Sir,
over
sir.
the session to
Thank you, sir.
Chiranjeevi, coordinator of the program.
Sir, sir, my request, can you please make your first registration, sir?
Yeah, of course, I'll do that 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Just give me a second.
Sir, click on sign up, sir.
Oh, okay. 1 minute. So I guess I was successful, right? Chiranjeevi Hemsundar?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just can you give a brief review about all this dashboard and different features available in this?
Yes, sir, sir, sure, sir.
Yeah. So can I stop my screen sharing, Chiranjeevi?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Chiranjeevi, you can just carry on, okay?
Yes, guys. Yeah, I know no one will believe anyone immediately. So we are the team of people who are engineers, innovators, learners, designers, developers, employees, explorers, support us, mentors, train us, and so on. And we will introduce ourselves and our capabilities so that you will get a clear picture. So I will, as a first step, I will introduce myself. So this is Chiranjeevi Bhupal Chandran. I completed my bachelor's degree in EEE at SV College of Engineering, Tirupati. Currently, I am pursuing my master's degree in IIT Madras, sponsored by L&T company. After successful completion of my MTech, I am going to join in permanent cadre as an L&T employee. I always believe that success comes from hard work. And about my capabilities, I cracked top MNC companies in both software field and hardware field. But my passion is always towards the research side. Hence, I'm moving my journey towards my goal. So I request my teammate Hem Sundar to address himself.
Yeah, thank you, Jiro. And good morning to one and all. And myself, Ham Sundar. And currently, I'm working as an assistant system engineer at Tata Consultancy Services. And coming to my background, like I don't know about that IT sector before in the third semester. And when I'm feeling like that, everything will be happen like everyone will be choosing that IT sector will be easier thing rather than hardware. So that and almost everyone said that only CSC people will get so only the IT jobs, and that triple E will not able to get the crack that jobs. So I'm at the time I feel that it's not a good manner thing, and at the time I will learn everything, and now I'm very comfortable with the web development and app development and etc. things. And now I'm feeling like that everything will be possible whenever we are trying more hard work, and uh, we shall we believe ourselves so that we will be crack anything. So that's myself, and I move. And Omsi, can you go?
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Hamza. Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Murthy Krishna, and I am working as a project engineer at Wipro Technologies. And coming to myself, I completed my bachelor degree in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Tirupati. And here we are the team that we support you entire from the beginning to the ending of your career. As we have mentioned, the things that we follow, and we can go up. Coming to my technical background, I simply I can simply handle hardware things and some of software things. And my team, who is Chiranjeevi, I am Sundar, and these are my classmates. And we came up with things that we can evolve and explore to ourselves. Being a good engineer in a society, being a good engineer that we in a small name that means engineer. It's not a small thing, and we have not to take it as a small thing. And the engineering field has many things, a lot to learn and explore. And we are here to explore in our ways. Thank you. And Kumar, please.
Kumar?
Kumar?
Yeah, Hitesh, you can continue.
Thank you guys for giving this opportunity and making as a team. And myself, Hitesh, I completed my graduation in Sri Vidyaniketan Engineering College. Currently, now I'm working in Cognizant as a program analyst trainee. Thanks for creating this platform and giving me opportunity to explore and also to improve a lot from all the things I have learned. I started learning from the things from the team which I possess. Like every team member has every team member has a unique skills that inspired me a lot. And being a part of this program is I feel very glad. And coming to my technical background, I am an enthusiast and a I am enthusiastic to research the things which I learn. And all the best to all the people who joined this event. And we try our best, and we give our support consistently until you fulfill your dreams. Thank you so much.
Hello, Sai Srinivas, you can continue.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for giving this golden opportunity to me. And we are the team of Race. Actually, the chief of guest has been told so many things. Of course, we are not come from the technical background, but we are doing very good to the people who are after the graduation has to be settled in the topmost MNC companies. Of course, I am a technical guy from CISC background, and I suffered a lot of issues while growing up in the CISC background, even how to make the logic, all that. But Chiranjeevi has told that one of the issues has been faced by all the engineering students. Nearly 3 lakh of graduates have been coming every year. So it's better to given a golden opportunity to them also, a good path to the top MNC companies by learning and collaborating to each other by the Race team. So it's a wonderful opportunity as I am part of this team. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Yeah, thank you, Sai Srinivas. Then Kumar?
Hello.
Yeah, Kumar, you are audible.
Yeah, thank you. First of all, I would like to thank you, Chiranjeevi, for providing me this opportunity to be with your team. I am Kumar Reddy. I am working as a project engineer at Wipro Technologies. Firstly, I would like to thank you for coming into this this session, and I warmly welcome to you the Institute of Race. Dreaming is the best thing which a person can do to achieve something in their life. That is the first step towards achieving one's goal. Every person has a dream, be it the world's richest person or the poorest person. But those who work for their dream are the ones who achieve. I strongly believe that a dream keeps you awake. Please, students, are whether you are a student or a professional, be set a goal and try to achieve it. We are here to achieve your goal. Please trust us. We always try to help you the best. Thank you, Chiranjeevi. Thank you for providing this institute. And
Yeah.
I am very happy to be a member of this race team. Thank you, Chiru.
Yeah, thank you, Kumar. So, yeah, guys. So we are here to provide you some
Hello,
service.
Chiranjeevi.
Yeah.
I would like to add one more point that please, everyone presented here, please be promote our institute as your friend, share to your friends and also in your group. Thank you.
Yes, Kumar, thank you. Just a minute, guys. There's a technical glitch. Hitesh, can you present the screen?
Yeah, sure, I will do that. Just a second. Let me open.
Yeah, okay, Hitesh, I am fine now. Okay, no
Is
issue.
that
I will
okay?
share. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So we are here to provide you some services like placement updates. Yeah, we will provide you regular placement updates and the placement materials which was designed by our own members who have cracked those companies, and we have some people who have capability to interview yourself before a actual interview, like mock interviews, and we have regular quizzes, and we will call eminent personalities to take over webinar sessions to meet the competitive needs, and we are also ready to give live support for your real-time projects, and we will give science tech updates like news regarding the new technologies updates and etc. and all. And the last one, explore your ideas with us. I will give an example. I will take a volunteer from your side. Let us take our Sridipti, who is the host for this event. So Sridipti has a passion of teaching. She has a passion of teaching, but she doesn't know where to explore herself. So we are providing the platform for you. You can come to us and you can take sessions with us. We will provide you platform. If we will take another volunteer, let's take Harshavardhan. So Harshavardhan has passion of doing arts and crafts. So we request you to make some videos and give to us. We will explore your idea from our side. We will make this as a platform so that in your future interviews you can add it as an extracurricular activities. Like we have did something and we have published it in a recognized institute. I will promise you that within few days we are going to uh, take recognition from the government as a startup. And I request, it's a sincere request from my side. And if we want to establish institute only for SVC students, it is not the case. I don't want separate institute because SVC always gives great opportunities to explore ourselves. And I request you to share this with your friends, families, juniors, and make this a grand success. So thank you all. I'm handing the session to Deepti.
Thank you everyone for spending valuable time. This is really a wonderful opportunity for all the engineers. I would like to thank HOD sir, Principal sir for conducting this event smoothly. I wish the best of luck for the team race on the behalf of SV College of Engineering. Thank you, one and all.
Yeah, guys. You can follow us on Instagram. You can connect us with LinkedIn. You can join our Telegram group. And the website, everything will be come to actual function from September 1. Before that, you can join us at Telegram. We can have some gossips, etc. Shortly we'll send the links and poster to your respective groups. And it is your duty to share to your friends. If you love them, they have to improve their skills. So thank you guys for giving this wonderful opportunity, and I thanks our principal sir. I'm really sad that he's on some other work, and I thank our HOD sir for launching this event. Thank you, sir. Yeah, guys, thank you all. Is there any queries, guys?
Yeah, Chiru, ask them to join our Telegram group, please.
Yeah. Guys, we have posted the Telegram link in the chat. You can join by using those things.
In Telegram group, we will be finding some placement materials, etc.
You can follow us on Instagram, race_learners. Be a passionate learner.
Make you ready.